Hi friends, I recently solved an issue with support code SS06 error on my phone, and now I'm going to show you how I did it. Welcome to another Snapchat tutorial video. In this tutorial I will walk you through how to fix Snapchat support code SS06, which indicates that access to your Snapchat account has been temporarily disabled due to repeated attempts or suspicious activity. If this video is helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot. If you're encountering support code SS06 while trying to log into your Snapchat account, it could be due to two main reasons. Either someone has hacked into your account or tried to do so, or you have made several failed login attempts. The easiest solution is to wait for about 15 or 20 minutes and then try logging in again, making sure you have entered the correct password. If you forget your password, you can select the Forgot Password option. However, if you prefer not to wait, there are a few steps you can take to speed up the process. First of all, change your internet connection. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, switch to your phone's data network or vice versa. Changing your connection can resolve the support code SS06 error. Reinstall the Snapchat app. Uninstall the Snapchat app from your device. On your iPhone lock, press the Snapchat app icon and select Uninstall app, then Uninstall app. Then go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and reinstall the app. Once installed, you will be able to open the app and log into your account without any issues. These steps will help you reset your SS06 support code and regain access to your Snapchat account. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I will answer them as soon as possible. For more Snapchat tips and tutorials, you can find additional resources in the description. If this video was helpful, please support me by subscribing to my channel to receive new tutorial articles. Thanks you for watching.